Australia Tibet Council is the largest active Tibet support group in Australia, a non-profit and a registered charity. Founded in 1988, ATC is the largest community of Australians standing in solidarity with the people of Tibet. We raise awareness about the real human rights situation in Tibet. We drive support for the Tibet movement by lobbying the Australian Parliament and government, and we amplify the true voices of Tibetans. ATC is a network for Tibet that brings together Tibetans in exile, Tibet supporters, Tibetan Buddhists, and followers of His Holiness the Dalai Lama. Together, we aim to educate, advocate, and bring meaningful change in Tibet. Support ATC, support a free Tibet.